Drew Sports Cards here. We're doing a break of 2020-21 Tops Panini Prizm. So you're seeing tops in here. Panini Prizm EPL. This is a 5-box mixer. PYT number 41. We got 2 hobbies, 3 breakaways. Good luck here, everybody. EPL Prizm 41. If you guys have not followed, subscribe, please subscribe. Let you guys know when I'm on there next, which will be tomorrow. Plenty of breaks on the board. We got those in the store as well that are not on the board. What's up, Eric? Alright. There's first Saka, Arsenal. Base, Grant. Scorers Club, Joelinton. Purple, Adam Webster for Brighton. 75/99. That is going to Brian. Last team on the board. Mason Greenwood. That's a nice one for Man U. Mason Greenwood. Fast break Prizm. Oliver McBurney. Blue, we got Vincente Guaita for Crystal Palace. 15/195. That's Jason. Ollie. Fast break Prizm, Sushik. Emergent, Josh Brownhill. Blue, Caleb Wilson. 103/195. Mason Mount for Chelsea with the Fast break Prizm. Dara O'Shea. Refractor or silver. Andre Frank Zombo Anguissa. Say that a few times fast. Bruno Fernandes for Man U. Foden. Fulham. We got Bernard for Everton. 14/49. That's going to Justin. Wilfred and Diddy. What's up, Mike? We're just talking about you. Pascal Grobe. 19/195. We got Semi Ajayi. And that was box number 1. Nothing too crazy in that one. which one there, Mike, on the finest Bundesliga? I think they have like a few autos there. Trying to think who would be the rookie though. Hertha for finest Bundesliga. Who's got a better rookie on Hertha, Köln, or Freiburg? Cunha's Hertha. Oh, he doesn't like fillers. You want Hertha there, Mike? Alright. Appreciate you, man. What number was that? 13. Again, those are full cases, guys, on the finest Bundesliga breaks. Full case breaks. So 5 teams left in that full case break of finest Bundesliga. Yeah, zero pull, Mike. He's on Twitch, watching his ASMR feeds over there on Twitch. Yeah, I'll be there, Mike. I'm actually going to be there that Friday. Taking the fam with me on Friday. Then they're leaving Saturday, and then I'll be there till that Wednesday. Zero Cole, who's Amaranth? Do you watch Amaranth? As Al Bundy used to say, she got some biggins, as Mike just said. So I'm assuming he's seen her. Says, I know her, but I don't watch. Good luck here, guys. Chelsea atmosphere. Eric Garcia, rookie for City. 12 of 195. We got Lamptey on the Fast Break Prism. Harry Kane Scores Club. Purple, Sadio Mane for Liverpool. 2/99. Now I can do PSA, Mike. It's just, I think the cheapest is like a little over 200. If you got something that big. Supposedly the next tier is supposed to open up by the end of the year, so I don't know if you want to wait for that one. Probably like $100 though, $150. He's got Liverpool. Yeah, for one card. So it's got to be a big card. Liverpool on this one is Syrup. $2.99. Kyle Bartley for West Brom. Burn Leno. Doyle. We got Connor Gallagher for West Brom. 116/195. Phil Bardsley for Burnley. Gabriel Jesus. Ezzy. John Egan for Sheffield in the silver. And our autograph, Patrick Kluivert for Newcastle. It's got Newcastle. That is Gary with Newcastle. Yeah, wait for the next one, Mike, and then send in that Trout Kaboom. They said it's supposed to open, the next level is supposed to open up by the end of the year. I mean, it's the 200 one gets you stuff back with like 2 weeks, I think. 2-3 weeks. Just depends how important it is you want to get it in that quick. Jared Bowen. Leandro Trossard for Brighton. 39/195. Jack Harrison for Leeds. James Madison. And Copper, Oscar Burr for the Wolves. 22/25. That is going to Lombardi. Copper to 25. Went straight through the sleeve. We got Kevin De Bruyne and Billy Gilmore. That was box 2 of the breakaways. Last of the breakaways, and we'll get into the hobbies. And then we got plenty of stuff on the board we can try there, guys. Plenty of stuff on the board. 5 left on 2 different fillers there. Tier 1 and the Merlin. Alright, good luck here, guys. Box number 3. Scorers Club, Patrick Bamford. Blue, nice. How about a Lamptey blue for Brighton? That is going to Brian. 82 of 195. Ezzy, base. Sushik. Harvey Barnes. We got Jamal Lewis for Newcastle. 5 of 49. N'Golo Kante. And nice little short print stadium piece for Leeds. Just got Leeds on this one. Mike with Leeds. Blue, Dale Stevens, 60 of 195. Billy Gilmore. Aaron Ramsdale. Mo Salah. Brandon Williams. Longstaff. Gabriel Silver. And our autograph, golds, number to 10, Kyle Lafferty. There you go, Daz. Got yourself a golds. Burnley, 6 of 10. Congrats, Daz. Nice hit. Atmosphere, West Brom. Blue, Roberto Firmino for Liverpool. 176 of 195. We got Kieran Gibbs. Jordan Pickford. Yori Telemans purple for Leicester. 94 of 99. Chris Wood. That was the 3rd. Breakaway. All right, first hobby coming up of the two. Good luck, you guys. On Black Prizm. How about that? Black Prizm one time. Got a gold. We got Adam Webster, and how about another gold? Gold for Newcastle, Jeff Hendrick. That is going to Gary. Some PC, 2 of 10. Second gold of the break. That is going to be your auto. Good luck. Ramiro Funes Mori. That's going to Everton. Justin. Mexico played today, didn't they? Tyler Roberts, silver. Ezzy. Lamptey. We got Robin Koch and Virgil van Dijk, blue. 190 of 199. Fabio Silva. Vigor, silver. Mason Greenwood on the emergence. Jordan Pickford. We got Marvelous Nakamba. And red, Ian Paveda. 92 of 149 for Leeds. Hyper, Lucas Moura. Matt Phillips for West Brom. 133 of 135. For Arsenal, Atmosphere. Harvey Barnes, Silver. Matt Loughton for Burnley. And Blue Ice, Thiago Alcantara for Liverpool. 17 of 75. Syrup with Liverpool. Tommy Doyle. Sorcerer's Club, Jamie Vardy. Ruben Neves, blue. 193 of 199. Giovanni Lo Celso, 73 of 135. Luka Milojevic and Jordan Henderson on the hyper. Last box. Come on. Big hits. Let's get another short print here. Alright, last box. Good luck, good luck. Trossard. Purple, Chris Wood for Burnley, 47 of 99. Tommy Doyle. Our auto. Purple auto. Going backwards. There he is. He's wanting him. This whole time, we finally got a short print Chris Wood for Burnley. 92 of 99. There you go, Daz. There you go, man. Congrats. Virgil van Dijk on the silver. Ollie. We got Anthony Robinson, pink and blue. Ilkay Gundogan for City, 176 of 199. Bruno. Atmosphere, Leicester. Daily Ali Fireworks. We got Zombo and Guisa. In red for Liverpool, Allison, 72/149. Pogba and Alexi Iwobi. Last deck. Oh, he probably stepped away. Blue Ice, Tom Kearney, 27/75. Saka. Potent. Jordan AU, Bernard Silver. Michael Obafemi. Blue Jack O'Connell for Sheffield, 164/199. Trent Alexander-Arnold, Dominic Calvert-Lewin for Everton, 31/135. Come on, let's get another short print here. Purple, Sean Longstaff for Newcastle, 9/99. Alzate and Hyper N'Golo Kante. That was a break there, guys. So we got some short prints. And these here, we got a couple golds. Big Auto still lurking. Big Auto still lurking there. Alright, recap time here. Kearney, Saka, Longstaff, Anthony, Ollie, Chris Wood Auto to 99, Thiago Alcantara, Mason Greenwood, Ezzy, Funes Mori, Telemans, Ezzy, Jamal Lewis. We got the short prints, Stadium for Leeds, Lamptey, Ezzy, Burr, Patrick Kluivert, Sadio Mane, Saka, Adam Webster, Ollie, Mason Mount, Bernard. The gold, Jeff Hendrick for Newcastle. The Lamptey blue, Mason Greenwood on the fast break. And the Kyle Lafferty gold auto for Burnley. That was right there, guys, on 41. I just updated 42 there.